Thanks for joining me. This is Muhammad from Bloggle01, and today I am going to teach you how you can sell anything to anyone online. Not only that, you can also sell any product. You can make unlimited sales. You can make a shit ton of money. Well, business is all about marketing. If you do it right, you can do wonders. Well, you must have seen those 14-year-old boys selling goods online and you think that this is bullshit. Well, I used to think like that also until I found out that this is not bullshit. They are doing it because they know the secret sauce. They know the game plan. They know what you don't know. Facebook, Google, Amazon, everyone is doing the same bullshit. So I was curious enough to find out what they are doing, and today I am going to share that secret sauce with you. So stay tuned and check this out. So let me give you a brief introduction of what we are going to discuss. A friend of mine asked me that I trashed my cars every now and then. What to do? So I told him, join a damn driving school. You got to learn. So let's see what we are going to learn. How to sell anything online. This is the first basic thing, how we used to sell, how we have to sell, how we have to approach the customer. We will give a step-by-step approach of selling. Third will be, it is the complete package of how we will bring the visitors to our site, how we will convince them to buy our product, how we will make them come back again and again. And if you are doing marketing from some time or if you have a business, then I have got some special twisted tricks to convert those remaining or existing leads and to fix your leaky funnel. So stay tuned and stay focused. Every business needs a structure. Without structure, it is not possible to do business at all. So let me give you what we are going to learn. Number one comes create awareness about your brand. First, you have to tell people that you are selling something. You have to show them that you exist in the market. Then comes you have to tell them about your product. You have to tell them that what is your core product which you are offering them and how it is going to help them. Then comes the sale. Once you have shown the product, now it's time to sell your product. Then only we will make money. After all, we want to make money. Then comes to make them come back. Now, once we have made the sale, now it's time to make them come back again and again. Remember the 80-20 rule. 80% of your sale will come from 20% of your existing customers. That's the point to remember. 80-20. And finally comes the referrals. You have to make your customers not only buy your product, but also ask them that they refer your product to their friends and family. Share the love, give them something to make them spread your business, your brand. So this is the total layout of any business. See, one person will tell 3% and those 3% will again tell 3%, and this is how it will work. So before we start, let me give you the secret of creating a successful marketing funnel. But before we start, you have to promise that you will not use it for bad purposes. Not at all. Because this method is so much powerful that you can use it at your daily life, at your college, at your school, at your office, or even to find a girlfriend. So let's move ahead. See, people nowadays don't give away easy favor. They just don't. Ask somebody for his car keys. Ask your friend for his car keys and he will throw you out. That's just happened to me. So what you can do? Science says that ask for a small favor. People just easily give away small favor because they think that he is just asking a small favor. Before he asks anything, just give him that and throw him out. This is the mentality. Just give the small favor and throw him out. But what they don't know is once they give the small favor, if bond is developed, their subconscious mind develops a bond with the person whom they just gave the favor. They emotionally get attached to that person. And what happens next is then they also agree to the bigger favor. They also give away the bigger favor. Yes, this is what happens in this secret system. And it's all in the mind. It's all in their mind. They don't even know about it and they give away everything to you. And this is what we are going to use in our system. This is our system and science call it FITD, foot in the door technique. Just when they were about to totally reject you, just when they were going away, you put your foot in the door and bring them back. You just asked a small favor and kept them there. You just held them. Now, once you held them to close the door, once you stop them to close the door, now you can come in again and ask for that bigger favor. Can you feel it? This is the power of FITD. This is how everyone is doing business nowadays. Let's have a look at an example. In a survey in California, USA, a household product company was surveying ladies in a particular area and they were asking for a door-to-door survey of their household products. But you see that guy, that ugly guy, nobody wants to let him in. I won't let him in. And same thing happened to them also. Everybody rejected him because the simple purpose was not that he was ugly. It was because people nowadays really busy and they don't want unnecessary people to come into their house and waste their time. Time is money. So what happened with that company was real smart. They did not give up. So they went on to plan 2. So the plan 2 was they just called the ladies and they asked few questions. And those questions were simple related to their household products. And ladies were happily answering their questions. So now what happened is then those people again tried on these ladies for a door-to-door survey. And this time what happened? Bingo! Bingo! The ladies were happy to fulfill the door-to-door survey. It happened because of what? FITD. Yes, FITD, foot in the door technique. What they did is they just stopped the ladies from closing the door. They just gave away the questionnaire and then they put on the survey. Just they took the smaller favor Then they took the bigger favor. This is the FITD power. This is how we are going to do business. This is how we are going to do it today.